the lagoon. It's actually there's a waterfall there, a mini waterfall situation, and then this is the lagoon, then it meets the beach.
Anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything comes. Your love is a winding million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a winding million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Yeah? Yes, strawberry. It's so sunny. Anyways, I'm setting up. Yes, that's Sissy.
I'll give you anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything comes. Your love is a winding million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a winding million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
And then so there's a bench there from our apartment if you want to just sit and watch the ocean. So cute. It is the most cutest thing ever. So we'll go later. Right now I'm just preparing a breakfast. So hi guys, I'm just preparing breakfast. I'm gonna go. Yeah, people are waiting for me to eat. I wanted to come see the beach, so let's go eat. Yes, Papa. Yay!
Offer me anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a wine and a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a wine and a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So I'm making breakfast, eggs, these are mushrooms, and then elon, bacon. Usihle noma mkhulu, they are watching. Nibukani lapha? Post it. Yay! So yeah. So I mean, this is how I like my eggs. That's for scrambled. So we went to the beach again with Usihle and the baby just to check it out. I think we're gonna go later on today. Since we're gonna swimming costume because we just went to check it out. Izolo we couldn't go because we were tired. Spume David. So I'm almost done setting up. We're gonna have fruits and yogurts and oh. So we are done with breakfast. This is what we're having. This is bread. These are eggs. Bacon and mushroom. Then we have like yogurt. This is the best I've ever had, you guys. Red cake. So that's about it. Are we gonna have breakfast with a view?
Please replace the others who live on the street that don't have food.
Usihle's on sister duty, busy crushing Elon. An egg for the baby. We are now having Elon.
Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. No one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else, let me like you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love
apartments, the ones you're seeing right now, we decided to come to the beach. It was still hot, although it wasn't like sunny, but it was hot, like Lishiselemafini. So we came here to have a nice time. And then I wanted us to run. It's so hard running recently. Speaking of that, if you had watched my previous vlog, you will see that I had included my training sneakers and my Apple Watch so that I can train. And I can safely tell you guys that nothing happened. I didn't even lift anything. The only thing that I lifted was food going to my mouth, and that's about it. But otherwise, nothing hectic. So we had a nice time by the beach. Yes, Aaron baby had a nice time. We dipped him 3 times and he didn't cry. So he really does like water. We see it when we giving him a bath. He loves water. So it wasn't a surprise that he didn't cry.
Before we
We are breastfeeding.